So one of my friends and one of my customers, Brandon at JSW Stud Reels, needed a solution for quickly shortening the lengths of some of their studs that they use for making stud reels. They had been using a chop saw, but they knew that wasn't an ideal solution. So they had this shear designed and asked me to make it for them. I thought that was a pretty interesting project. I did the machining for them and then had the parts heat treated and had them ground. And then they've put it together and I've been using it for several months now. So in this video I went over there to take a look at it and see how they like it. So let's take a look.
Yeah, so depending on the diameter as they come in from the factory, because they are rolled through like dies and everything, sometimes they're a little bit harder to feed in there, so we can use the business end of this bad boy as a hammer, get them all lined up, and then literally that's it. So there's the drop, and then there's the shear.
How many you're going along?
We can do between 4 to 5. Depends on who's doing it. But 400 to 500 an hour. Someone really moving can do it. So there's the start, the finish lane. And then you heard how quiet that thing is. It's not loud. Yeah. So many things happened here when we incorporated this. The guy who lost his thumb, good luck. Good luck getting your thumb in there and let it run. A lot safer. The noise, we're using a metal chop saw. So one at a time, air vice, and that's what got the guy's thumb. And then coming down, chop saw. Those steel blades are ridiculous. They're a couple $100 a piece. So, well, the best thing about this, even if the two sides that are touching right now wear down what they do, we can just flip it all around.
And then we've been using this now
since you got it to us. Yeah. So it's easy to take off. It's the 4 bolts that we have, and it comes off with the entire unit, and then one set screw up here on both these. So and it's easy to get back on. So we do take this off because over the weekend we just did another job where we used obviously the Piranha for what it's made for, punching holes, and we punched 1,300 holes in flat plate. So obviously this is a special feature.
How much more did you run on this?
100,000.
100,000
parts, yeah. Easy. So before we did all those holes this weekend, a day before that we did 1,600 studs that went up to Alberta. So we're helping another guy that is also doing stud rails get some studs that would normally be 6 to 8 week lead time, and we got them done and shipped air freight up there in less than a week. So yeah, so they paid a fortune for it, but obviously there's a lot of labor involved, because now that's the easy part. That's our easy part now. Now then after that, secondary process, put your flux ball hole in, and then put your flux locate, and then put it on there. So yeah, that's then the secondary process. That takes by far now more time than actual cutting. So we'll set this up much like this, where the guys will put them in here, put them into get another game board to go down to the next station. We're keeping track. We have we have all the documentation following with it, so we know it's going to be this heat number, and then we're putting the factory size ball we would normally get. We're putting in down again later. So we're not trying to change anything there in that fashion, because like I was saying earlier, too much and too little causes issues. So and we've seen that in the past. So as much fun as this is now, we don't want to do it unless we have to do it. Yeah. So like I was saying, some of our lead times are 6 to 8 weeks once we order them, and then we'll get a set of drawings back, they want it within 3 to 4 weeks on site. This helps us expedite where we couldn't wait. So the factory, again, the factory does a good job keeping up with us for the most part, and like all the cold form product, they have usually no issues with, because they can do like 40,000 a shift, right? So, but the hot forge stuff, that's the stuff that takes long, and that's usually what we're going to be. We'll cut a stud down, stack enough weld, stud weld another one together, and that's called piggybacking. So we'll do that. We just did that last night. So we had a customer call us to go. They needed less than 100 rails on site, but it was still 2,100 stud welds. So a bottom stud with another stud right on top, and then achieve the right length. So and that way we'd have to cut anything down or try and wait for 6 weeks to get material. So it cycles real fast. So you can load it that fast and carry it that fast. I want to automate as much as we can, because this, not saying no one's going to get hurt on this, because it's safer, but it still gets, you pins your hand in here, something, right? There's just possibilities. Anytime you get moving parts, there's a possibility someone isn't paying attention or, whatever. So, but again, it looks real easy. For the most part, the cold finish product works really, really good. So, still sears nice and clean. Yeah. It's really made, I mean, it was a good chunk of money, but it's also made us a good chunk of money.
Yeah, because that material is expensive. This is about
was this S7? So, yeah, I mean, the better the grade, the better it's going to last. I mean, obviously you can tell that. So, I was always drawing something up similar to this, or maybe something a little bit simpler, like a hinge, but it was going to be like a one and done, like a one piece, and it was going to, just to make sure it worked before we upgraded. But so the guys that make our studs, TrueWeld, I gave them my sketch, and they came up with the right thickness. So they came up with like, the minimum 2 inch here, 1 inch on all the others.
Yeah, they ran all the calculations.
Exactly. Yeah, and so I told them we had a 70-ton press. How many studs could we do? Because that was going to dictate how big and how many. We've actually done 10 half-inch studs at a time on here, because you can do 5 here and then 5 here. And it's sheared those fine. So again, it's more efficiency, right? So I called this forever. I called this, it's not really a honeycomb, but that was kind of my original idea, was like, so you can stack as many in there as possible, right?